This video covers programmable touchpad harness replacement for the SlimRack slide-out system. The tools required to perform this procedure include a cordless drill, bits appropriate to the hardware found on your installation, and electrical tape. Remove the touchpad from the wall using your cordless drill. Then disconnect the old harness connection to the touchpad. Tape your new harness's controller connection side to the old harness's touchpad connection side and then fish it into the wall. Connect the new harness's touchpad connection to the touchpad. Disconnect the old harness from the controller and install the new one to complete the harness replacement procedure.